Sawadee Kap! Welcome to Break Time with Monte. Today's story, Super Saving Dog. 3-year-old Kai Ju is the perfect dog for the grocery store couple who own him. Kai Ju, which means omelet in Thai, is a cross between a Chihuahua and a poodle. He lives with a couple who own a grocery store in Ayutthaya, Utah district. He is the perfect dog for them. As a super saver, he has helped his owners promote Kongsaima and his wife Sudarat Sirikachin, both aged 51, achieve financial stability. It all began, says Mrs. Sudarat, when Keju was very little. He found a 100 baht banknote someone had dropped in front of the shop. He took it to her and she gave him a compliment. Later, some other people dropped a 20-note baht and a 50 baht note, and Keju took them to her again. Then I tried to hand him a banknote which I got from selling goods. He did the same by taking it inside the house, Mrs. Sudarat recalled. Encouraged by the dog, now 3 years old, she and her husband thought it was a good opportunity to collect the family's money through Keju. Since then, the couple hand some of the money, usually between 300 and 400 baht, from grocery sales to Keju every day. The money collected by Keju has been kept separate and never used for household expenses until recently, Mrs. Sudarat said. Mr. Pramoj said he and his wife were able to collect a large amount of money unknowingly due to Keju's cleverness. They estimated the dog has carried more than 200,000 baht for them over the past 3 years. We have found that we can use Keju's savings to pay the installments on our Toyota Fortuner every month. Now, today's vocabulary. Chihuahua, Chihuahua. Compliment, compliment. Couple, couple. Due to, due to. Encouraged, encouraged. Estimate, estimate. Financial, financial. Grocery store, grocery store. Household, household. Installment, installment. Mail, mail. Omelette, omelette. Opportunity, opportunity. Poodle, poodle. Separate, separate. Stability, stability. That's today's vocabulary and story. Have a great day. I'll see you next time on Break Time with Monte.